Back with another tutorial. I want to basically go through another one of tuning your drums, tuning percussion sounds, as well as your bass. I mean, it's important, again, I'm going to stress this. If you tune your drums, everything's going to glue together and sound sort of, you know, your toms, your kicks, little sounds. You want them talking to each other, and the only way they can do that if they're pitched correctly and they're working basically in the same, you know, frequency. And this is the frequency area, as you can see. If I play, there you go. Your sounds need to be hitting the same sort of area. This big frequency spectrum is sort of divided up into octaves from sort of like the right at the bottom to 20,000 hertz, so 0 to 20,000, and your mix is going to cover the whole entire mix. So let's get straight into it. What I've done so far, I've just put a normal 4/4 kick drum. Let's try and find out what key this kick is in. You're looking for the peaks. As you can see, there's a peak there. It looks to me like it's peaking around A. Let's just test it with a higher octave. It's got 24. Yeah, it looks like it's A to me. It sounds like A. So you make a decision. You either want to play your tune in A, the key of A, or you can change the pitch. Let's stick to A because that's the original recording of the kick. I've layered a clap. And there's no actual frequency with the clap, the same as with your open hi-hat. So we're going to put one of those in. And as we go along, we look for some more sounds. Let's go for a closed. You know, we want a closed hat in there this time. Good thing to do with hats is sort of change the velocity of the notes just to give them a bit of a human feel. Something like that. Right, it's time to add some toms and things like that. Alright, we've got loads of toms here. Sounds like a nice deep tom. Yeah, let's put that one in. Let's grab a couple sounds. Let's get a few more sounds. Let's get a rim shot. One of them. And let's get a collab. One of them. Let's undo that. It's just going on the wrong sound. There we go. So now let's build our groove. see that's peaking at A there. If I was to change that, see it's peaking at D, so A is the right. We want it to play low to go with the actual groove of the track. Good thing is to filter out any low frequencies that can collide with the kick. I like to take anything 150, take all the 150 out. There you go. Again, let's try this sound here. Seems like it's in the right place. Again, what you want to do is high pass all of that out. And that sound there, looks like A as well. See what I'm doing, I'm actually not hitting the same notes on each note, because if you do that you're going to muddy up. Each sound needs its own space in the mix. Again, see that's in A. And then you want to keep on high passing all the mud. Right. So if you play it now, you've actually got a nice groove. Let's play it. We've got one more sound. You can play that in. See, that's hitting on A5, which is nice. What we're doing. High pass that out again. There you go. Good thing is to apply some swing to your groove. As you can see, this groove, it's actually going quite nicely, flowing along. So what I will do, you know, I mean, you've got loads of sounds you could use. what I tend to do is sort of pick a bass sound, and you've got plenty of bass sounds. You could use a sample. I'm just trying to look through to see if I can find anything. I've got some in here. Samples, sounds, bass sounds. Tribal. This sound here. Right, it says A1 on here, so what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to tune that to, so if I press on the key of this sound, a good way to test it is load up one of these. And then you tune this sound. Some sounds have hard to sort of pick up, like that one. I'm going to try something else. I've got some in here somewhere. A Moog sort of bass, a good one to use. Right, here we go, we've got some Moog sound. One there. Yeah, so that's tuned right. So now what we do, we just program a simple A. You see, your tune actually starts to mix and blend well together. What you could do is go to Sidechain. I'll actually add a sidechain onto this. There's an actual tool which is called the LFO tool, and it sort of acts like a sidechain. It ducks the sound. I just want to show you it now. LFO tool. There's some presets in here. Sidechain. If you have the bass playing, listen. you go. I mean, that's all you need. But I'm just showing you these chords are actually A. That's all I'm playing. Let's add the same swing, as well as the bass. It's important that you add the same swing values which you set up. There you go. I mean, you know, subscribe if you like it, comment. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. But basically, I've just gone through, you know, mixing your drums, staying in key, and then working on a bass line, sticking to that key, and then working on an extra sound, which is like a stab. Again, sticking with that key. I mean, what I will do now is obviously because my track's in the key of A, so that I'd stick into that key so I could go. I mean, sort of mute that one. See, you can actually get like very simple results. It's not an eighth note quanta. It's a nice classic trance. There we go, and you know. Thanks a lot. You know, subscribe, and any questions, holler back at me. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.